this is what it's all about.
I'm still in my jammies.
Yeah, don't say anything about my toes. Beautiful, beautiful morning. It's Father's Day, 2015. I want to go see my dad. But right now, it is about 9:35 a.m. Sitting out here in my lovely nature room. What do you guys think? You like it? Kind of messy. I haven't cleaned it. But, yeah, I have a big shelf right here that needs to go. We want to look at it. But, yeah, that shelf has got to go because it's obstructing my view. See? Yeah, that's got to go. I basically got it for the wood, to use the wood for something. Oh, great. Okay. There it is. Nature room. Have a good day, you guys, and happy Father's Day to all the daddies out there.